English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. I would request the Honorable Finance Minister to do something to build the capital market. In his speech on page 14, para 44, he has said that he is bringing measures to strengthen the capital market. In 5 days, what measures has he brought to strengthen the capital market? I am sure you know about it. Whatever measures he has brought, they have brought doom to the capital market. Mr. Minister, you have not been able to bring enough measures. Let us not sure depting point again. I would request you to do something more. Maybe you have done more, but it has failed and you see the result now. Now, please do something more. I would like to tell you what you should do. There was news that the buyback of shares by the companies would be allowed. Everybody knows about it. I saw Sri Singh, the Revenue Secretary's statement day before yesterday saying that buyback of shares would have given a boost and what would have helped the capital market to grow. I know that you have a problem with your colleague, the Minister of Law, Justice, and Company Affairs. You could have taken the help of Sri Khurana. He would have coordinated with you, even the Revenue Secretary to the Government of India had made a statement day before yesterday saying that this issue pertained not to the Finance Ministry but to the Ministry of Law, Justice and Company Affairs. That is exactly my charge. There is no coordination between the ministries. If there is no proper coordination between the important ministries, what would happen? We all know about the. Therefore, my request is that you should bring from such measures which will help review the stock market and the capital market to some extent. Now I come to the NRI investment. Mr. Minister, you have said that you have raised the ceiling on NRI investment if a foreigner can buy more quantity of share in a company. What would happen? Of course, we need foreign investment. Today, we have 9 billion of foreign investment in India, which is worth about rupees 72,000 crore.